Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Archie, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the real reasons why WrestleMania 36 has been cancelled, and is the refund for WrestleMania tickets been confirmed or not. Also, how Sheamus helped Roman Reigns, and is Roman Reigns affected from coronavirus. So let's begin. This video is going to be a very interesting one. Okay, so the first news that I'm going to start with is about WrestleMania 36. It's been official right now that WrestleMania has been cancelled from Tampa, and it will be happening in WWE Performance Center, just like Raw and SmackDown. And also, let me tell you guys, Raw and SmackDown until WrestleMania will be happening in WWE Performance Center only. This is due to the recent coronavirus that's been spreading hence and forth right now. So that's why WWE has taken this move. Many have been criticizing this, but I think I will really appreciate this, because despite having a big loss of WWE rely on the fans, WWE rely on the superstars, WWE has rely and stick to their plans, and WrestleMania is being happening. They could have postponed, they could have cancelled WrestleMania, but no, they just want that same date, same time, same, just the place has been changed, same matches. They just wants the fan to get entertained, and I think it's a big gesture from Vince McMahon, Triple H, everybody who is in the management system. And we are going to see WrestleMania live at the same time, just there will be no crowd, and I think this WrestleMania will be a good one, and the fans should support this. I don't know how guys are criticizing this, but I think it's a great move from WWE. And maybe that the WrestleMania will not be that much connective. We couldn't see the crowd, we couldn't see the cheers, but at least I believe that we can be behind WWE, we can support them, and we can have this in a very good one. Also, if I talk about the refund, it's been confirmed by the Wrestling Observer Wrestling Expertise Dave Meltzer that WrestleMania tickets refund will be given to the fans. I think the service charge, he has told that he's not quite sure about the service charges, but the WrestleMania tickets refund will be there. So it's also a great gesture, because they are also giving the money to the returning the money to the fans. This is also a great gesture. I think every wrestling organization should learn from this, and I think it's a great gesture, because they are supporting fans and they are also giving entertainment to the fans for free. So I think it's a very good thing. A huge round of applause for every WWE management team who has decided to do this. I think I'm really towards WWE. I am supporting WWE, so you also guys support WWE. Okay, now the next news. The next news is about that Sheamus helped Roman Reigns, and how it is. Recently in an interview, Sheamus revealed that when an interviewer asked him that why League of Nations been formed, it used to be a team. When Sheamus used to be the WWE champion, the team of Wade Barrett, Rusev, Alberto Del Rio, and the captain Sheamus, the team has been called League of Nations when Sheamus and Roman Reigns used to have a feud. And Sheamus has revealed that it has been this team has been formed by Vince McMahon, and it was formed to give Roman Reigns a sympathy from fans, because Roman Reigns has been on a peak at that time in his career, but he was getting a constant boo. But as to make Sheamus more and more negative towards the fans, they have made this League of Nations, and the Roman Reigns got the fans. And I think in a positive way this actually worked, and Roman Reigns become the WWE champion, and he has got a huge massive fan following towards him. And I think it's a good thing by Vince McMahon, and Sheamus has also agreed that to make Roman Reigns popular to the crowd, he has done this. And I think that every WWE superstar supports each other, which gives the company a very good thing to move forward. So now moving on to the next news. The next news is that we have confirmed 2 new matches in the last Raw for WrestleMania. Kevin Owens versus Seth Rollins is going to happen in a singles match. It will be a good match, I believe, but I think that Kevin Owens, the way he has throws a challenge to Seth Rollins, it's going to be an emotional match for Kevin Owens. Okay, also the next match that's being confirmed, the last man standing match between Edge and Randy Orton. Let me tell you guys, Randy Orton has a record breaking said that he has never lost the last man standing match, just like John Cena has never lose a I Quit match. Randy Orton has never lose a last man standing match, so this will be a huge match. It's very difficult to predict the winner, and I think WWE picked it very smartly. This will be the returning match of age, and it will be a last man standing match where Randy Orton is expertise. So I think it's a huge move, and I think it's a smart move from WWE also. Now the last news, that is about Roman Reigns. Why Roman Reigns is been it's been medical checkup right now. The Wrestling Observer, Dave Meltzer revealed that Roman Reigns has been going under some hospital issues, not because that he is suffering from corona, but as he has recently recovered from leukemia, so he's weak. His strength has been not that much as it used to be before. So as WrestleMania is also nearby, and as every WWE superstar needs to be carried forward in a very healthy way, their health is the main priority right now. So, and as it is Roman Reigns, so he's one of the big superstar in WWE right now, so his health is also need to be in a good condition, so to make him properly immune, so that he doesn't lose any kind of strength or that, or if it doesn't make sense that if leukemia it will be back or not. So just to make sure he's okay, he's all right, WWE is being arranged the proper medical setup for Roman Reigns and proper hospitalization security for Roman Reigns, which is a very good thing, because it will only keeps Roman improving for his health. So I hope you like the video, guys. These are the news that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.